Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build on the Monopoly Go application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. Now click to the Build button and next to the Wins option at the bottom of the screen, and here just select Building and click that. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.